friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
The Scarborough Bluffs are located along the shore of Lake Ontario in Scarborough, Ontario. These majestic cliffs stretch about 15 kilometers, from Victoria Park Avenue in the west, to the Highland Creek in the east. Rising up to 90 meters high, they offer some of the best views of the lake, making you feel like you've stepped far away from the city. These bluffs were formed thousands of years ago at the end of the Ice Age, originally part of a prehistoric lake, known as Lake Iroquois. Over time, glacial movements and erosion sculpted the landscape we see today. Early settlers were just as captivated by this area. Elizabeth Simcoe, wife of Upper Canada's first lieutenant governor, named it after her hometown, Scarborough in England, because the cliffs reminded her of its dramatic coastline. Today, the bluffs are popular for hiking, picnics, and even boating. Bluffers Park at the base is a great spot to get up close to the cliffs and enjoy a day by the water. Over the years, community efforts have helped preserve these natural cliffs, making sure they stay a special spot for everyone to enjoy. So, whether you're here to take photos, explore the trails, or relax by the beach, the Scarborough Bluffs is a must-visit spot that brings nature and history together in an amazing way.